This is Philadelphia. Simple city, easy to maneuver around. You literally know where to go and how to get things done. These are the things that you avoid on a map. You literally could look at the map, any map. It's easy. We like a little rectangle with titties. These are the places you avoid on the map when you are driving for Uber. I repeat, these are the places you avoid on that map when you driving for Uber and Lyft. Now, let's go to number one. Stay away from New Jersey. You don't have to stay away from the bridge though. Shockingly enough, you don't have to stay away from the bridge. These be some good ass rides over here. Over here, all these rides that be going back and forth to these back and forth to Penn's Landing and back and forth to like Dave and Buster's and back like these be the daily date spots, the casino. Oh yeah, these be the perfect spot. They be boom boom. All you doing is picking people up from over here, like over in these areas, and dropping them to the casino and stuff. And those rides be like $8, $9, $10. You could bank over in this area right here. You actually can bank. You just gonna get tired of going back and forth. It's not You're not on the highway. You're under the highway over here. You're on this road. This road, they go back and forth. You could just be boom. You maneuver back into the hood, or not really the hood, but maneuver back over here, and then you maneuver back over here. So you stay around. You could stay around these areas and bank. You could actually bank. They're not that annoying either until you get to like that area that you got to get on the highway. Then it get a little annoying, and you get near that little mall. But down here is the clubs and stuff. There's like clubs and stuff over here, real chair area. But you can stay over there. You're not always going to get a ride to Camden. Not always. Not always. It's actually a good spot to hustle. So that's a good spot to hustle. Here's a place to stay away from. Do you see this line right here? Do you see this line right here? You see that? That's literally a vein in the devil's No, seriously, stay away from that line. That's Roosevelt Boulevard. I repeat, that's Roosevelt Boulevard. You see this? That's Rosie. That's the devil. That's the devil. You know why it's the devil? Because if you in the middle lane, the app don't tell you to be on your far right or far left. So if you're supposed to exit, how the fuck are you supposed to exit? How are you supposed to exit when the app don't know if you're in the middle or far left or the far right? So you don't know if you got to intercede or intertude or intervene off of the damn map. So yeah, stay away from Roosevelt Boulevard. The most dangerous, the most annoying, the oh you better be 40 miles per hour or it will send you a ticket in the mail. Yes, stay away from Roosevelt Boulevard. It will send you. Yes, look. Let me show y'all how far Roosevelt Boulevard go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, yeah. Y'all keep on effing around Roosevelt Boulevard. Y'all gonna be on Roosevelt Princeton. You know what I'm saying y'all gonna be on Roosevelt New York. Roosevelt Boulevard don't play no games. And guess what? The rides keep on getting further and further and further away till your ass is in New Hampshire. Stay away from Roosevelt Boulevard. Anyway, where else to stay away from? Right here. Right here. You see the devil horns? You see this right here? Boom. Where the merry-go-round? The merry-go-round. Mm-hmm. That's right. The devil playing double dutch with everybody life on the left side and the right. You see that? You stay away from that. Let's zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. We need a street view. Ah, we need a street view. Let's get in on that. Let me show y'all what this is. Let me show y'all. This is Satan. This ain't no game right here. First of all, this is a roundabout. Dun, dun, dun! It's not a game. That's the roundabout. Okay? That's the roundabout. We stay away from the roundabout. Any ride that's going around that roundabout, stay away from it. Where's the best spot? Where's the best spot to do Uber and Lyft? Right here. You see this little rectangle right here? This is beautiful. Let me tell you, this is mini New York. This is mini New York right here. You see those blocks? Easy money around here. Easy money around here. First of all, it's near Center City. It's near Center City. It's damn near Center City. And it looks like mini New York everywhere down South Philly. Everywhere down here is good money. Just stop at the roundabout. You understand what I'm saying? Get rides that stop at like the Cauldron Philly. You feel what I'm saying? Or that Center City spot right there. Get stops that stop right there. And then get stops that run all around this line. Past the Young Square and Point Breeze. That sounds sweet, don't it? Lower Mington. You know what I'm saying? South Philadelphia. Beautiful. That right there. Perfect spot to get money. Easy rides be coming like that. Back to back to back. It's closed, like it's like a closed area. You see the blocks, it's easy to maneuver. Beautiful area to get money in. All right. Where's another area to stay away from? Area to stay away from. Oh, you already know. All of West Philadelphia. All of it. The whole West Philadelphia, stay away from the whole West. All blocks, broken blocks, traffic. It ain't even collegey no more. Like I don't know when y'all collegey blocks got like a whole bunch of potholes on them, a whole bunch of bougie hippies. This weird section of the area where they just walk in front of the car. They don't care. They be like, I say bougie because they do got money around most of this area, some of these areas, and this is where they be having. This is the museum spot, one of the most difficult spots, you know what I mean, the maneuver around, and then you be up and down that damn long road toward near the zoo, and that whole road got holes in the damn ground and the tracks and the man. Listen, West Philadelphia, I tell you, y'all, worst place to drive in doing Uber. Worst place to drive doing Uber. Some areas is pretty chill. Like let me see, maybe a few, let me see, it's a few areas that's pretty chill, but no. And then West Philly connected to Upper Darby too, and they be having you all maneuvering through Upper Darby. It just get weird out, man. However, where's the good places to, let's see. West Philly get good around, nah, because they keep you on Market Street, and Market Street is a damn mess. Um, however, however, hey Manny Young, Manny Young. Let me tell y'all something about Manayunk. Let me get some light bright over here. Manayunk is a beautiful area. You understand me? Manayunk is beautiful. Manayunk is so collegey and chill. The people be walking around, they be all dressed up all nice. This is where the people from college graduate and like get their first house at and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Because when white people graduate, like the ones with money, they just get a house afterward. I don't even think they need a job or nothing like that. They inherited money. But anyway, this is the area where it's like the collegey kids, the proper speaking cool people, the people who got money, the diversity, the this area is beautiful. You understand what I'm saying? The woman is gorgeous. Anyway, man, I'm just looking through the pictures right now. These corny ass pictures that do not do this that that's not doing it justice at all. After a while, you get addicted. Anyway, I'm all you like a belly button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Peace. I ain't never see this much pictures for a place in my life. I ain't even gonna hold you. I like it ain't had no good, not one good picture. Man, the young, you should be ashamed of yourself.